No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I am starting with Inception as a strong broad movie probe for type, year, rating, genres, Nolan, and major actors. I will first open the dropdown and verify the matching row before submitting because the game requires selecting a suggestion and then clicking guess. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years with down arrow, so the target is older than 2010. Rating is farther than 0.5 with down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.8. No visible overlaps. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page are not highlighted. Director Christopher Nolan is not highlighted. Constraints. Target is a movie, older than 2008, IMDb below about 8.3, not action/adventure/sci-fi, and not involving those listed people from Inception. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie, and target median equals movie. Year is farther with the down arrow, so the target is older than 2010. Rating is farther with the down arrow, so it is below 8.3, with no overlap for action, adventure, sci-fi, the listed actors, or Christopher Nolan. I will guess The Truman Show as a different older movie with comedy and drama and a lower 8.2 rating to test genre, year, rating, Jim Carrey, and Peter Weir. This batch selects the search result with enter and then clicks the required guess button. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years from 1998, but the year arrow is obscured by the open dropdown and not readable in this screenshot. Rating is green, so the target rating matches The Truman Show at about 8.2. Genre overlap, drama is green, comedy is gray. No actor overlaps are visible for Jim Carrey, Ed Harris, or Laura Linney, and Peter Weir is not highlighted. Constraints. Target is a movie, as drama, likely not comedy, as IMDb rating about 8.2, is more than 2 years away from 1998, and does not include the listed Truman Show cast or director. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie, and target median equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 1998 by more than 2 years. Rating is green at 8.2. Drama overlaps, comedy does not, and Jim Carrey, Ed Harris, Laura Linney, and Peter Weir do not overlap. I will guess A Beautiful Mind as a newer drama movie with rating around 8.2 to test biography, Russell Crowe, Jennifer Connelly, and Ron Howard, then click the required guess button. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years from Beautiful Boy 2018 with a down arrow, so the target is older. Rating is farther than 0.5 from about 7.3 with an up arrow, so target rating is higher. Genre overlap, drama is green, biography is gray. Actors Steve Carell, Maura Tierney, and Jack Dylan Grazer are not highlighted, and director Felix van Groningen is not highlighted. Constraints. Target is a movie, older than 2016, rating above about 7.8 and previously about 8.2, includes drama, likely not biography or comedy, and does not include the listed Beautiful Boy cast or director. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie, and target median equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2018, and rating is red with an up arrow, so it is higher than 7.4 and consistent with the prior 8.2 rating. Drama overlaps while biography, comedy, action, adventure, and sci-fi do not, with no known actor or director overlaps so far. I will guess There Will Be Blood because it is a 2007 drama movie rated about 8.2 and fits the known constraints. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow, within 2 years of There Will Be Blood 2007, with the arrow not readable because the dropdown covers the card. Rating is green, so the target rating matches about 8.2. Genre overlap, drama is green. Actors Daniel Day-Lewis, Paul Dano, and Cyron Hines are not highlighted, and director Paul Thomas Anderson is not highlighted. Constraints. Target is a movie, likely from 2005 to 2009, and also older than 2010, has IMDb rating about 8.2, includes drama, and does not include the listed There Will Be Blood cast or director. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie, and target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with a down arrow from 2008, so the target is older but within 2 years, likely 2006 or 2007. Rating is green at 8.2. Drama overlaps, and Daniel Day-Lewis, Paul Dano, Kieran Hines, and Paul Thomas Anderson do not overlap. I Will Try No Country for Old Men, a 2007 drama movie rated about 8.2 with no excluded genre overlaps, using a row click rather than repeating the previous enter pattern. Nice, the answer was No Country for Old Men, solved in 5 guesses. The key clues were locking in movie, drama, a 2007 release within the narrowed year range, and the 8.2 rating, which pointed straight to the Coen brothers crime thriller.